All Durban beaches have been closed until further notice. This is due to huge swells that battered the coastline this afternoon, leaving 3 people injured. For more, we're joined by Thembinkosi Ngcobo from the eThekwini Municipality's Parks, Recreation and Culture. Thank you very much for joining us, Thembinkosi. Can you just give us an update of what took place in Durban today?
Yes, what happened this afternoon was we were warned by the Sharks Board, that is responsible for the installation and management of our net. They told us that there is a high wave, which was caused, obviously, by the high winds later this afternoon. And then they thought they were of the view strongly that we need maybe to consider closing down the beaches. Whilst we were considering that, we then noticed that the high waves caused the pounding of the promenade. It became waterlogged around about 2-ish, 3-ish this afternoon, and it also caused some extensive damage on the infrastructure that we have here, like, for instance, the lifeguard tower and also the bollards that we have around the promenade. We then decided at that point that it was better to close the beaches down for the safety of the public, because in an instance of the instability of the net, so anything would be possible to the bathers. So we had to close down all the bathing beaches this afternoon. So the situation is still the same. Of course, 3 people were injured, 2 of them were treated on site, and then 1 was taken to hospital.
Thembinkosi, in terms of the business that have been affected around the beachfront, when can they expect the reopening of the beaches, or is it too early to tell?
At this point, it's too early to tell. But yes, I can confirm that some of the restaurants were closed down this afternoon. We'll be monitoring the situation and be in a position to maybe make any pronouncement, say, early tomorrow morning, once we've seen as to what is happening.
We'll have to leave it there. Thank you very much for your time, Thembinkosi. That was Thembinkosi Ngcobo from the eThekwini Municipality's Parks, Recreation and Culture. Now,